Today in music class, we are going to do 5 different music stations. Everybody will get the opportunity to go to all 5 stations. There are green, yellow, blue, purple, and red stations. Now while you're in the stations, I'm going to ask number 1 that you stay on task. You're only going to be in the station for a short amount of time, so be sure that you're doing exactly what Ms. Smith has asked you to do. If you're following directions and everyone's participating, that means you'll get 4 points today. Our voice level should be medium soft. That means mezzo piano in our music terms. On a scale of 1 to 10, mezzo piano means about a 4. When it's time to clean up, you're going to hear a very specific sound. Ms. Smith will ring the triangle. When you hear that, put all your materials back exactly how you found them. Don't move yet because you're going to wait for another sound that instructs you to move. We're going to cooperate. That means we're going to share our materials. And when we walk to the next station, we do so with walking feet. Here are the sounds you're going to hear to clean up. It's going to sound like this. When it's time to move to the next station, you're going to hear this sound. That means it's time to move to the next station. Now, I'm going to go around the room station by station so you know exactly what to do. The first station is the green station, and it's our iPad Melody Maker station. The first thing you're going to do is create an ascending melody. That means a melody that goes up. Then you're going to create a descending melody. That means the melody goes down. Then you're going to create a melody with a slow tempo. Then you're going to create a melody with a fast tempo. The last thing you get to do is create your own melody and choose your own tempo. On the iPad, if you hit the home screen, it should already be plugged in for Melody Maker. To make your ascending melody, you will simply arrange the blocks in a pattern going up, and you can play it. You're going to make a descending pattern. I'm going to play it. The next set of directions says to create a slow tempo. So down here, I'm going to move my little blue dot towards the person that's walking because that means it's a slow tempo. I'm going to hit play. Then I'm going to create a fast tempo melody. Again, you can do this however you want to. All I'm going to do is I'm going to move this blue dot all the way towards the person that is running. And then the last thing you get to do is make your own. You can make it however fast or slow you would like to. The next station you're going to go to is over here, and it's going to be the yellow station. You're going to get to play some instruments, some glockenspiels. Each person is going to have one instrument and one rhythm box. You're going to open your rhythm box and choose a rhythm. On your instrument, you're going to play the rhythm with alternating hands. Then you're going to choose a new card and repeat until the time is up. So I've already opened up my little rhythm box. I'm going to pull out a rhythm. The one I happen to get is ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. So I'm going to take my mallets and then I'm going to play that rhythm on my xylophone. Doesn't matter which notes I choose as long as I'm playing that rhythm ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. I'm going to set the iPad down for just a second so you can hear that. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. After I do that, I'm going to pick out another rhythm, and I'm going to keep doing this until time is up. So here's my next rhythm, ti, ti, ta, ta, ta. And you just keep doing that until time is up. The next station you're going to go to is the game Busted. For this game, you will sit in a circle. The person who goes first should be the person with the next birthday coming up. After that, you're going to go in birthday order. The first person is going to choose a stick from the can, and they're going to clap whatever rhythm is on the stick. So that person is going to clap ta ta. Then the next person is going to draw a stick. That next person will then clap their rhythm and the first rhythm. So for example, this will be ta, ti, ti. The next person in your group will draw another rhythm, and they will clap them all. Ta, ta, ti, ti. The next person will grab one, and they will clap them all. Ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti. This continues on until you draw a stick that says busted. If you draw the stick that says busted, then you have to put all of your sticks back in the can. You're still in the game, but you kind of have to start over again. The person that has the most sticks at the end of our station time will be the winner. This game is a lot more fun if you just randomly draw a stick. Don't try on purpose to get a busted. Just reach in the can and grab a stick. The next station you're going to go to after that is rhythm math. Each person is going to need a rhythm sheet, a marker, an eraser, and a whiteboard. I'm going to get those things. Okay. You're going to solve each of the note or rest math problems, and then you're going to check the back of the sheet to see if you got the answers correct. For example, on my first side, I have a quarter note plus a quarter note. That equals 2. I have 2 eighth notes plus 1 quarter note. That equals 2. I have a whole note plus 2 eighth notes. That equals 5. If you forget what some of the symbols mean, Miss Smith has left a nice little key right there that you can use to remind you. You'll do all of the activities on the note side and on the rest side. When you finish, feel free to check your answers on the back. Let me remind you, these are educational tools and are not meant to write on, draw, or destruct in any way. We're not writing notes to people. We're not drawing silly little pictures. Be sure when you put the marker cap on that it clicks in place after you use it. And when you finish, be sure that you use the eraser to erase everything that you've done so that it's ready for the next folks to use it. The last station that you'll go to is reading about music. You're going to choose a book to read quietly. If 2 of you want the same book, share and take turns reading. Be gentle with the books so everyone can enjoy them. This is a quiet area, and we want you to enjoy learning about some new composers and new musical concepts. I've added some new books to the station over here. After you're finished, Miss Smith will ask you to clean up, and you'll come back to your seats. We hope you have a great day in Music Stations. Have fun!